Okay. Just dance. Ready? So you got this? Okay, watch space. We didn't even start. Great. Okay, you ready? It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. Hey, they come from the sky, but we gotta be quiet. Something else, and I don't know. Remember when that hit your head?
What?
That. Now it's dirty.
What hit my head?
What do you think I'm talking about?
What? The Wii? My iPad?
No.
Oh. Click a button.
Okay, blue. Is that a girl or a man?
It's a girl. Okay.
Yeah,
Feel
look at my
yourself.
body.
I'm not touching myself. Feel yourself. This is normal.
Yeah, because I just go out in the rain and do this. We got news for you. You better listen, get ready. Oh, only girls, and he knows our brothers at home.
Oh, yes, you are. I'm so active.
According to sources,
The street's the place to go.
because I'm
Ow.
because I am not your boyfriend. So I put my finger out and I go to the streets and I run. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining.
Oh, hear this.
Man. Hey, man.
Oh yeah, I'm winning.
Because it's your favorite dance. I just want to kick you right.
Shut up.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining.
Rita.
Amen.
Rita, I'm so sorry.
Be quiet. I'm choking on peanuts. I don't care. Oh, so if I die right now, you don't care.
What if you're good at choking situations if you haven't learned that from Lauren's party?
Oh, you just flip out and go into the other room.
That was not me. I was like, you okay?
I was like, oh my gosh, she's shooting stuff out of her nose.
Yeah, that was so gross. Maybe we should talk.
Her nails hurt. That's what you get, lady. Amen. Because I dance in the streets like this.
Can we totally dance in the street?
With like no shorts on or pants.
It's a coat. Maybe she has tights on.
Who does this on the street?
Oh, maybe
What
the
other
door.
song?
African hit me. Ow. What is it? Ooh.
You want to do that? I don't think so. No. Except run in the streets when it's raining. It's raining.
We should go out right now.
It's not raining anymore.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
Oh.
Can I clap in the street like this and stay in one place? And I'm wearing no pants or shorts.
Maybe they're tights.
I doubt that. Oh, right? Oh. I'm running now. Raining man.
Oh yeah, we both got that.
Then I come back and go like, whoa.
I've won. What now?
No.
5,700
Yo, let me take off my socks before I like slip on my face and fall.
Da-da-da.
Okay. I don't want to play that game.
Don't do it in front of me.
I'm over here now. With my feet Bruno can get out. Hello, people.
Stop touching my shirt. Oh, it's yours. Okay.
Look, my shirt with
Well, my name is
watermelon.
Sexy. Yours is L.O. Just Sean do that.
L.O.?
L.O.
Oh my god, I'm not that.
You are. We don't have enough time to change it.
See, I'm hitting her right in the face.
It's rain. I'm gonna kick you. Ow! She kicked me.
Which one's mine? Let's do TikTok.
Okay. Okay. This is totally a workout. Okay, got this firmly grasped.
It's a trick to get you to work out.
Oh yeah. I gotta do this.
In the morning, feeling like
This song is so old.
Cause I'm out the door, I'm gonna hit the city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of toothpaste. Before the I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on my toes, trying on all my clothes, but
We look like idiots.
and play my favorite rappers, going out to the movies.
Rena, shut up.
Oh. Don't stop. I would have hit you.
I know you are. I can't do this sideways. Oh. I can't do this one. It's complicated.
We show Sean, he's like, what the heck?
I bet Sean's gonna find this. He's gonna be like, I'm stuck.
You got no money in the pocket, but I'm already here.
You're a dude, so can you just... Why did you think about this room out of
Now your nails are stuff. Your fake nails.
Shut up.
I don't know how to do the other hand because I'm like a right.
I don't either, because it's like
So I just I go
flipsy.
like this. I go like this. Wait, I go like a circle.
Oh, she does like a dip thing. Ow.
I love her shirt.
Okay.
Your mom.
Even though it's a character. We're gonna kill each other. She's a retard.
Yeah, count it. Count it. Monkey, monkey.
Oh.
Body don't stop till I walk
Oh, I messed it up. How did she do this? So,
I don't know. She said it was. Those are cool jeans though.
jeans. There's like a skirt and then...
No, look at her legs. They're like orange.
Well, that's like leggings.
Knowing everything, even though it's just a video.
Oh my god, how did she do that?
Hey, Janae.
Rub your butt against me.
No, I was trying to push you out of the way.
Butt rubber.
Whoa, I got that.
Ow, my finger hit my phone.
Haha. Why'd you turn your phone? That's why I don't carry your phone.
Whatever.